So what's up everyone, Doba Nenubari here. You've probably heard it a million times by now. AI is everywhere, it's changing everything, and it feels like if you're not already an expert, you're falling behind. It can definitely feel overwhelming, like trying to drink from a fire hose of new apps, new models, and new jargon every single week. But here's the thing. Getting started with AI doesn't have to be complicated. There are some incredibly powerful tools out there right now that are surprisingly easy to pick up, even if you're coming in with absolutely zero prior experience. Today I want to cut through some of that noise. I've been testing out a bunch of different AI platforms, specifically looking for the ones that offer the best combination of power, ease of use, and real-world utility for beginners. We're not talking about needing a computer science degree here. We're talking about tools that can genuinely help you create, organize, and automate things in your daily life or work starting today. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through my top 5 AI tools you should seriously consider using in 2025. These are the tools that I think provide the most bang for your buck, or in many cases, are completely free to get started with. We'll cover what each one does, how you can use it, and why it made the list. If you've been curious about AI but didn't know where to begin, this is the video for you. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll have a clear roadmap. Let's get into it. Alright, kicking things off at number 1, and this probably won't surprise many of you, it's ChatGPT by OpenAI. This tool has fundamentally changed the game for so many people, and for good reason. Think of it as having an incredibly smart, incredibly versatile assistant available 24/7. Its core strength is understanding and generating human-like text. You type in a question or a request, what we call a prompt, and it provides a detailed, coherent response. It's not just for simple quanda, it can write emails, draft articles, brainstorm ideas, summarize long documents, and even help you understand complex topics by explaining them in simpler terms. The interface is super clean, basically just a chat window, making it incredibly approachable. Now, for beginners, the applications are almost endless. Let's say you need to write a professional email, but you're struggling with the wording. You can tell ChatGPT the key points, the tone you're going for, and who the recipient is, and it'll draft a solid email for you in seconds. Stuck on a creative block for a social media post? Ask it for 5 ideas, need to understand what a particular piece of code does? Paste it in and ask for an explanation. It's like having a tutor, a copywriter, and a research assistant all rolled into one, and the best part is there's absolutely no coding required on your end. You just talk to it, and it delivers. The power of ChatGPT really comes alive when you learn how to craft effective prompts. The more specific and contextual you are with your requests, the better the output will be. But even with simple prompts, it's remarkably capable. OpenAI is constantly updating it, making it smarter and more useful. There are free versions available that are incredibly powerful, and paid tiers for more advanced features and faster access. But as a foundational tool for anyone wanting to dip their toes into AI, ChatGPT is, without a doubt, the place to start. It's like the Swiss Army knife of text-based AI. A good-looking document, Canva's AI tools are a massive time saver and a creativity booster. Chapter 3. Tool number 3, 11 Labs. Incredibly lifelike AI voices. Coming in at number 3 is a tool that has genuinely blown me away with its quality, 11 Labs. This platform specializes in AI-generated voice, specifically text-to-speech, and the results are astonishingly lifelike. We're not talking about those robotic monotone voices you might associate with older text-to-speech systems. 11 Labs produces voices that are rich in tone, inflection, and emotion, making them almost indistinguishable from human narration at times. For content creators, educators, or anyone needing high-quality audio, this is a game changer, and it's surprisingly straightforward to use for beginners. Think about the possibilities here. If you create videos like this one but you're not comfortable using your own voice, or perhaps you need voiceovers in different accents or languages, 11 Labs can handle that. You can type out your script, choose from a variety of pre-made voices, or even clone your own voice, with their ethical guidelines of course, and it generates the audio file for you. It's perfect for narrating documentaries, creating audio for presentations, developing characters for animations or games, or even producing audio versions of blog posts to create a podcast. The clarity and natural flow are top-notch. Using 11 Labs is incredibly simple. You just type or paste your script into their editor, select a voice, perhaps tweak a few settings for stability or clarity if you want, and then generate and download the audio. They offer different tiers, including a free one to get you started so you can experiment with its capabilities. The ability to create such high-quality, natural-sounding voiceovers without needing expensive recording equipment or voice actors opens up a world of possibilities for individual creators and small businesses. It's a specialized tool, but for what it does, it's best in class and incredibly accessible. Chapter 4, Tool number 4, Leonardo.ai, Stunning AI Image Generation for Creators. Alright, at number 4, we're diving back into the world of visuals with Leonardo.ai. While Canva AI offers great image generation within its ecosystem, Leonardo.ai is a dedicated platform that really focuses on producing high-quality, highly customizable AI images. It's particularly well-suited for content creators, game developers, marketers, and designers who need unique, art-directed visuals. If you've seen some of those mind-blowing AI art pieces online, chances are a tool like Leonardo.ai was behind it. It gives you a lot of control without being overly complex for newcomers. What sets Leonardo.ai apart is its range of pre-trained models and the ability to fine-tune image generation. You can choose models that specialize in photorealism, fantasy art, isometric sprites, character portraits, and much more. You can input your text prompt just like with other image generators, but you also get options for negative prompts to specify what you don't want in the image dimensions, and guidance scales to control how closely the AI adheres to your prompt. They also have features like image-to-image generation, where you can upload an existing image and have the AI transform it based on your text. It's a playground for visual creativity. For beginners, Leonardo.ai offers a fairly intuitive interface despite its powerful features. They have a token-based system, and you get a decent number of free tokens daily to experiment and create images. This is fantastic if you need custom illustrations for your blog, unique backgrounds for your videos, concept art for a project, or even just want to bring your imaginative ideas to life visually. It moves beyond basic image generation and gives you tools that feel more akin to an artist's assistant. If you're serious about creating unique visuals with AI, Leonardo.ai is definitely one to check out and spend some time with. Chapter 5, Tool number 5, Notion AI, your AI-powered productivity hub. Finally, at number 5, we have Notion AI. Many of you might already be familiar with Notion as an incredibly versatile all-in-one workspace. It's used for note-taking, project management, wikis, databases, basically organizing your life or your work. What makes it even more powerful now is the integration of Notion AI directly within that workspace. This isn't a separate app you have to jump to, it's AI assistants woven into the tools you're already using to think, write, and plan, which makes it incredibly seamless and practical for everyday productivity. So how does Notion AI actually help? Well, imagine you're in a Notion document. You can highlight text and ask AI to summarize it, find action items, translate it into another language, explain a complex concept, or even improve the writing. If you're staring at a blank page, Notion AI can help you brainstorm ideas, draft an outline for a blog post, write a job description, or even create a social media content calendar. It can help you fill tables, generate pros and cons lists, and essentially act as a co-pilot for your thought process and content creation, all without leaving your Notion environment. The beauty of Notion AI is its contextual awareness. Because it's part of your existing notes and documents, it can often provide more relevant assistance. For beginners, this means you can start leveraging AI to be more productive and organized without a steep learning curve. If you're already a Notion user, it's a no-brainer to explore these features. If you're not, the combination of Notion's organizational power with its AI capabilities might just make it your new go-to app. It's about making your existing workflows smarter and more efficient, and Notion AI does that brilliantly. So there you have it, my top 5 AI tools that I genuinely believe are game changers, especially for beginners looking to get started in 2025. From drafting text with ChatGPT to designing visuals with Canva AI, creating voiceovers with 11 Labs, generating stunning images with Leonardo.ai, and boosting your productivity with Notion AI, these platforms offer incredible power without needing you to be a tech expert. The learning curve for the basics on these is surprisingly gentle, and the potential they unlock is massive. The world of AI is moving incredibly fast, but that doesn't mean it has to be intimidating. The key is to just start, pick one tool that resonates with a need you have, and begin experimenting. You don't need to master everything overnight. These tools are designed to assist and augment your own creativity and productivity, not replace it. I really hope this overview has given you a clearer picture of what's out there, and how you can begin to integrate AI into your workflow or personal projects. If you found this helpful, and I really hope you did, do me a solid and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more content on AI and tech explained simply, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these AI tools are you most excited to try first, or are there any others you think should be on a beginner's radar? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching.